Brainjuice Media. Fuel your mind.
Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore how your sleep habits can give you a natural facelift. That's right. By simply adjusting the way you sleep, you can rejuvenate your skin, reduce wrinkles, and wake up looking fresher than ever. Let's dive into the details. First things first, quality sleep is essential for healthy skin. During deep sleep, your body repairs cells and regenerates tissues, which includes your skin. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to ensure your skin has enough time to heal and renew. Poor sleep can lead to dark circles, puffiness, and an overall dull complexion. Sleeping on your back is one of the best ways to prevent wrinkles. When you sleep on your side or stomach, your face presses against the pillow, creating lines and creases. Over time, these can turn into permanent wrinkles. Try to train yourself to sleep on your back for a smoother complexion. To make this easier, you can use a pillow that supports your neck and keeps you comfortable in this position. Switching to a silk pillowcase can work wonders for your skin. Silk is gentle on your face and reduces friction, which helps prevent wrinkles and fine lines. Plus, it's great for your hair too, reducing frizz and split ends. Unlike cotton, silk doesn't absorb your skincare products, allowing them to stay on your skin and work their magic overnight. 4. Elevate your head. Elevating your head slightly with an extra pillow can improve blood circulation and reduce puffiness around your eyes. This simple adjustment can help you wake up with a more refreshed and youthful appearance. It also helps with sinus drainage and can reduce the likelihood of nasal congestion, contributing to better sleep quality. 5. Use mouth tape. Mouth breathing can cause your tongue to rest at the bottom of your mouth, leading to slack jaw muscles and a less defined jawline. Over time, this can contribute to a recessed chin and weaker jaw structure. By encouraging nasal breathing, mouth taping helps maintain proper tongue posture, which can support and strengthen the jaw muscles. 6. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your body's internal clock. Consistency in your sleep schedule ensures you get enough restorative sleep, which is essential for maintaining healthy, youthful skin. Try to stick to your schedule, even on weekends, to avoid disrupting your sleep patterns. 7. Hydrate before bed. Staying hydrated is key to plump, glowing skin. Make sure you drink plenty of water throughout the day and have a glass of water before bed. Hydrated skin is less prone to wrinkles and dryness. However, be mindful not to drink too much right before bed to avoid frequent trips to the bathroom during the night. 8. Nighttime skincare routine. Developing a nighttime skincare routine can enhance your skin's natural repair process. Cleanse your face thoroughly, apply a good moisturizer, and consider using products with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, retinol, and antioxidants. These can boost collagen production and improve skin texture. Remember to be gentle and use upward motions to avoid tugging on your skin. 9. Avoid heavy meals and alcohol before bed. Heavy meals and alcohol can disrupt your sleep and affect your skin's ability to repair itself. Try to have your last meal a few hours before bedtime and limit alcohol intake to ensure you get a restful night's sleep. Instead, opt for light, sleep-inducing snacks like a banana or a handful of almonds if you need something before bed. Stress can take a toll on your skin, leading to breakouts and wrinkles. Incorporate relaxing activities like reading, yoga, or meditation into your nightly routine to unwind and prepare your mind and body for restful sleep. Consider creating a pre-sleep ritual, such as taking a warm bath or listening to calming music, to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Try to avoid screens at least an hour before bed to help your body transition into sleep mode. If you must use your devices, consider using blue light filters or wearing blue light blocking glasses. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary of relaxation. Keep it clutter-free, use calming colors, and consider using blackout curtains to block out any unwanted light. Adding a diffuser with essential oils like lavender or chamomile can also create a soothing atmosphere that promotes better sleep. 13. Practice deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing exercises can help calm your nervous system and prepare your body for sleep. Practice techniques such as the 4-7-8 breathing method. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. Repeat this cycle a few times to help you relax and drift off to sleep. 14. Limit caffeine intake. Caffeine can stay in your system for up to 8 hours, so it's best to avoid it in the afternoon and evening. Opt for herbal teas like chamomile or peppermint, which can promote relaxation and better sleep quality. Finally, listen to your body's signals. If you're feeling tired, don't push yourself to stay awake. Going to bed when you're genuinely sleepy will help you fall asleep faster and improve your overall sleep quality. By incorporating these sleep habits into your nightly routine, you can achieve a natural facelift and wake up looking rejuvenated and refreshed. Remember, quality sleep is just as important as your skincare products. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your favorite sleep tips in the comments below. Sweet dreams and stay beautiful. Thanks for watching. For more tips on beauty and wellness, check out our other videos and follow us on social media. See you next time.